Section 1. Introduction, the essence of JavaBeans. JavaBeans are the cornerstone of the Java Enterprise Edition, or Java EE framework, playing a pivotal role in developing robust and scalable enterprise applications. They are essentially reusable software components that encapsulate specific business logic and data, providing a modular and efficient approach to application development. Beans simplify complex interactions by providing a standardized way to handle various aspects of an application, from managing user sessions to handling database interactions and asynchronous messaging. Imagine a large-scale e-commerce application like Amazon. The process of adding items to a shopping cart, processing orders, and managing user accounts can be broken down into distinct tasks, each handled by a specific type of Java bean. Session beans might manage the user's shopping cart session. Entity beans could handle storing and retrieving product information from a database, and message-driven beans could process asynchronous order confirmations. This modular design paradigm not only simplifies development, but also enhances maintainability and scalability. Java beans are not merely isolated components. They seamlessly integrate within the broader Java EE ecosystem. They leverage the power of the Java EE container, which provides a runtime environment that manages bean lifecycles, security, transactions, and other essential services. This container-managed approach frees developers from low-level infrastructure concerns, allowing them to focus on implementing business logic and delivering value. The interaction between JavaBeans and the Java EE container is a testament to the framework's commitment to simplifying enterprise application development without compromising on power and flexibility. The beauty of JavaBeans lies in their ability to abstract away complexity, allowing developers to concentrate on the essence of their application's functionality. By encapsulating specific tasks and leveraging the robustness of the Java EE container, Beans provide a solid foundation for building enterprise-grade applications that are both scalable and maintainable. Their importance in the Java EE world cannot be overstated, as they represent the building blocks upon which complex and sophisticated enterprise solutions are constructed. Section 2. Session Beans, the interactive workhorses. Session beans are the workhorses of interactive enterprise applications, managing user-specific interactions and business logic. They are essentially Java objects that encapsulate a specific set of operations, often representing a user's session within an application. Imagine a banking application where a user logs in to check their account balance, transfer funds, or pay bills. Each of these actions could be handled by a specific session bean. There are two primary types of session beans: stateful and stateless. Stateful session beans maintain conversational state, meaning they remember the user's interactions throughout the session. For example, in an online shopping application, a stateful session bean could track the items added to a shopping cart, preserving this information until the user checks out. Stateless session beans, on the other hand, do not maintain conversational state. They treat each client request independently, making them suitable for tasks that do not require session persistence, such as calculating currency exchange rates. Session beans are not limited to simple request-response interactions. They can also orchestrate complex business processes involving multiple back-end systems. For instance, in a travel booking application, a session bean could handle the entire booking process, coordinating interactions with airline databases, hotel reservation systems, and payment gateways. This orchestration capability makes session beans essential for managing the flow of information and logic within enterprise applications. The versatility of session beans makes them a powerful tool for developing interactive and dynamic enterprise applications. Their ability to manage user sessions, handle complex business logic, and orchestrate interactions across various systems makes them indispensable for building applications that cater to diverse user needs and business requirements. By encapsulating these functionalities within reusable components, session beans contribute significantly to the modularity, maintainability, and scalability of enterprise applications. Section 3. Entity Beans, Data Persistence Champions. Entity beans serve as the bridge between the application logic and the underlying data storage, ensuring data persistence and integrity. They represent persistent data, often mapping directly to database tables, providing an object-oriented view of the underlying data model. Imagine an e-commerce application where product information, customer details, and order history are stored in a relational database. Each of these data entities could be represented by a corresponding entity bean. Entity beans simplify database interactions by abstracting away the complexities of SQL queries and database connections. Developers can interact with data through methods provided by the entity bean, rather than writing raw SQL queries. This abstraction not only simplifies development, but also improves code readability and maintainability. For instance, retrieving a customer's order history could be as simple as calling a method like on the corresponding customer entity bean. One of the key advantages of entity beans is their ability to manage data integrity and consistency. They can enforce business rules and data validation constraints, ensuring that data modifications adhere to predefined criteria. For example, an entity bean representing a bank account could prevent withdrawals exceeding the account balance, preserving data consistency. Entity beans are crucial for building enterprise applications that rely on persistent data storage and retrieval. They provide a robust and standardized mechanism for interacting with databases, simplifying development, and enhancing data integrity. By encapsulating data persistence logic within reusable components, entity beans contribute to the modularity, maintainability, and scalability of enterprise applications. Section 4. Message-driven beans, asynchronous communication wizards. Message-driven beans are the champions of asynchronous communication within enterprise applications, enabling systems to exchange information without direct coupling. They act as listeners, waiting for incoming messages from various sources like message queues or topics, processing these messages asynchronously without blocking the sender. Imagine a stock trading platform where real-time stock updates need to be disseminated to thousands of users simultaneously. Message-driven beans could handle this asynchronous notification process efficiently. Unlike session beans that respond directly to client requests, message-driven beans operate independently, triggered by incoming messages. They are ideal for scenarios where immediate responses are not required, allowing systems to process information in the background without affecting the performance of other components. For instance, in an e-commerce application, order confirmation emails or shipping notifications could be sent asynchronously using message-driven beans. Message-driven beans are inherently decoupled from message producers, meaning they don't need to know the source of the messages they process. This loose coupling enhances flexibility and modularity, allowing systems to evolve independently without breaking communication channels. For example, a message-driven bean processing customer orders could remain unaffected by changes in the user interface or other application components. Message-driven beans are essential for building responsive and scalable enterprise applications that handle asynchronous communication effectively. They enable systems to exchange information without direct coupling, improving modularity and flexibility. By handling asynchronous tasks efficiently, message-driven beans contribute to the overall performance and responsiveness of enterprise applications. Section 5. Advantages of using JavaBeans, a holistic view. JavaBeans offer a compelling set of advantages that make them indispensable for building robust and scalable enterprise applications. Their modular design promotes code reusability, simplifying development and maintenance. By encapsulating specific functionalities within reusable components, Beans allow developers to focus on implementing business logic rather than reinventing the wheel for common tasks. This modularity not only accelerates development, but also enhances code readability and maintainability. Scalability is another key advantage of using JavaBeans. The Java EE container, which manages bean lifecycles and resource allocation, provides inherent scalability. It can dynamically create, destroy, and pool bean instances based on application demand, ensuring optimal resource utilization and responsiveness even under heavy load. This container-managed approach relieves developers from the burden of manual resource management, allowing them to focus on application logic. Transaction management is another area where JavaBeans excel. The Java EE container provides robust transaction management capabilities, ensuring data integrity and consistency. Beans can participate in transactions, guaranteeing that all operations within a transaction are completed successfully or rolled back entirely in case of errors. This transactional integrity is crucial for applications dealing with critical data, such as financial transactions or inventory management. Security is paramount in enterprise applications, and JavaBeans integrate seamlessly with the Java EE security framework. The container handles authentication, authorization, and access control, ensuring that only authorized users can access specific beans and their functionalities. This centralized security management simplifies development and enhances the overall security posture of the application. JavaBeans offer a comprehensive solution for building enterprise-grade applications, providing benefits like modularity, scalability, transaction management, and security. By leveraging the power of the Java EE container and adhering to standardized design principles, Beans empower developers to create robust, maintainable, and secure enterprise applications that meet the demands of modern businesses. Section 6. Java EE and Bean Management, a symbiotic relationship. The symbiotic relationship between Java EE and Bean Management is central to the success of the Java EE framework. The Java EE container provides a runtime environment that manages the lifecycle of beans, handling instantiation, initialization, pooling, and destruction. This container-managed approach frees developers from low-level infrastructure concerns, allowing them to focus on implementing business logic. The container also provides a suite of services that Beans can leverage, including transaction management, security, and resource injection. These services are seamlessly integrated with the Bean lifecycle, ensuring that Beans operate within a secure and transactional context. The container's ability to manage these aspects transparently simplifies development and enhances the robustness of enterprise applications. The declarative nature of Java EE configuration allows developers to define Bean properties and dependencies using annotations or XML descriptors. This declarative approach reduces boilerplate code and promotes consistency in Bean configuration. The container interprets these configurations and manages Bean interactions accordingly, ensuring that beans are properly initialized and wired together. The Java EE container acts as an orchestrator, managing the interactions between various beans and ensuring they operate harmoniously within the application. It handles bean lookup, dependency injection, and communication between beans, providing a cohesive environment for beans to collaborate and fulfill their designated roles within the application. The strong synergy between Java EE and Bean Management is a testament to the framework's commitment to simplifying enterprise application development without compromising on power and flexibility. By providing a robust container that manages Bean lifecycles, services, and interactions, Java EE empowers developers to build sophisticated enterprise applications with ease and efficiency. Section 7. The evolution of JavaBeans from EJB to JPA. The evolution of JavaBeans has been a journey of refinement and simplification, driven by the need for more efficient and developer-friendly approaches to data persistence and component management. Early enterprise JavaBeans (EJB) specifications were often criticized for their complexity and verbosity, leading to the emergence of lighter-weight frameworks like Spring. The introduction of the Java Persistence API (JPA) marked a significant shift in how data persistence is handled within the Java EE ecosystem. JPA provides a standardized and simplified way to map Java objects to relational database tables, abstracting away the complexities of SQL and JDBC. It allows developers to define object relational mappings using annotations or XML descriptors, simplifying data access and manipulation. This shift towards a more object-oriented approach to data persistence significantly reduced the boilerplate code associated with entity beans, making them more developer-friendly. The rise of JPA also led to the deprecation of some EJB features, particularly those related to entity beans. Container-managed persistence, a core feature of EJB entity beans, was superseded by JPA's more flexible and lightweight approach. This transition simplified the development process, allowing developers to choose the persistence mechanism that best suited their application's needs. The evolution of JavaBeans reflects the Java community's commitment to continuous improvement and adaptation. The transition from complex EJB specifications to JPA's streamlined approach demonstrates the focus on developer productivity and code simplicity. By embracing new technologies and adapting to evolving needs, JavaBeans continue to play a vital role in building modern and efficient enterprise applications. Section 8. Real-world applications. Beans in action. JavaBeans are not merely theoretical concepts, they are actively employed in a myriad of real-world applications across various industries. Their versatility and robustness make them suitable for tackling diverse challenges, from managing financial transactions to processing large-scale data in scientific research. In the financial sector, banks rely heavily on JavaBeans to power their core banking systems. Entity beans manage persistent data like customer accounts, transaction history, and loan details, ensuring data integrity and consistency. Session beans handle user interactions, such as processing deposits, withdrawals, and online payments, orchestrating complex business logic and security protocols. E-commerce giants like Amazon and Alibaba leverage JavaBeans to handle the massive scale and complexity of their online marketplaces. Session beans manage user sessions, shopping carts, and order processing, providing a seamless and personalized shopping experience. Entity beans handle product catalogs, inventory management, and customer data, ensuring data accuracy and efficient retrieval. Message-driven beans handle asynchronous tasks like order confirmations, shipping notifications, and inventory updates, enhancing responsiveness and scalability. Scientific research institutions utilize JavaBeans to process and analyze large datasets, often involving complex algorithms and computations. Entity beans model scientific data, such as genomic sequences, astronomical observations, or climate patterns, providing a structured and efficient way to store and retrieve data. Session beans encapsulate data analysis algorithms, allowing researchers to perform complex calculations and simulations. Message-driven beans handle asynchronous tasks like data pre-processing, result dissemination, and communication with external data sources. These examples highlight the pervasive influence of JavaBeans in shaping modern applications across various domains. Their adaptability and robustness make them a valuable tool for developers seeking to build reliable, scalable, and secure enterprise-grade solutions. As technology continues to evolve, JavaBeans are poised to remain a cornerstone of enterprise application development, empowering developers to tackle increasingly complex challenges with efficiency and elegance. Section 9. Conclusion: the enduring power of JavaBeans. JavaBeans have proven their enduring power and relevance in the ever-evolving landscape of enterprise application development. Their modular design, scalability, transaction management capabilities, and seamless integration with the Java EE framework make them an indispensable tool for building robust and sophisticated enterprise solutions. From managing user interactions and orchestrating complex business logic to ensuring data persistence and enabling asynchronous communication, JavaBeans provide a comprehensive toolkit for tackling diverse challenges in enterprise application development. Their ability to encapsulate specific functionalities within reusable components promotes code reusability, simplifies development, and enhances application maintainability. The evolution of JavaBeans from the early EJB specifications to the more streamlined JPA framework demonstrates the Java community's commitment to continuous improvement and adaptation. By embracing new technologies and addressing developer needs, JavaBeans have remained relevant and effective in building modern and efficient enterprise applications. As businesses increasingly rely on software to manage their operations, the demand for robust, scalable, and secure enterprise applications continues to grow. JavaBeans, with their proven track record and adaptability, are poised to remain a cornerstone of enterprise application development, empowering developers to build innovative and impactful solutions for years to come.